Newland had family at the baseball game yesterday. As the 3-1 is hit towards right field, this could be trouble. It will get down past a diving Belk. Robert Newland chugging for second. He's headed for third. Newland looking for his triple. He got it. Robert Newland, a stand-up triple. As Mueller will hit this one sharply past the diving Reed. This will plate the first run of the day for the Fish in Newland. And it's another multi-hit day for Sebastian Mueller.
That was caught by the starter Procure. Now Eckes in a 1-0 count. This is hit through the gap. This could be two for the Fish. Coming in is Mueller, charging his Bickers, and he will score. It's a tie game. Peraza with a 2 RBI single through the gap.
Actually 3-3 till the 7th. Bottom of the 7th was when Kenosha took a 2-run advantage. They got it up to 4 before choking the lead in the 9th. Kenosha trying to extend the 1-2 from Putnam. This is in the gap as well. Putnam with a single. Trying to score here is Justice. He's chugging for the plate. The throw offline. Justice scores. Kenosha takes the lead for the first time today. Peraza at second, Putnam at first. This one's hit sharply. This is a fair ball. Wersching's waving him around. Peraza coming to score. Extra bases for Graham. Putnam's chugging for the plate. The throw into second, and Kenosha has blown it open. 2 more come across. 6-3 Fish. 3-2 on its way. This is chopped over towards third base. Fielding it is Reed. He'll fire on a hop. The ball gets away. Coming in to score is Graham. There will be no play at the plate, and Newland reaches on an E5 from Reed.